All right, so if you are choosing to do this project with cutting paper, which we're going to mimic Henri Matisse's style of drawing with scissors, you're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a white piece of paper or a colored piece of paper if you really wanted to have one as your background. And then you're going to need a couple different options for color paper to go on top. You could use construction paper, you can use white paper that you've colored with marker or paint or colored pencil or a crayon, or you could use recycled material if you wanted to. So I'm going to create my figure out of a black piece of paper, and then I'm going to do my organic shapes out of my color paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create my actual body parts. Oops. All right, so now that I have all my pieces cut out, I can start playing with the arrangement. Now I'm going to play with the idea of my person laying out for a frisbee. So I cut my little neck piece. I'm going to start to place it in the right order. Now, for your final project, if you don't have glue, you can still make this work because you're really just taking a picture of it and showing me the picture. So if you only have the picture, then that's perfectly fine. So I have my person. I need to move her back a little bit. I might have made her a little bit big. And I'm going to have this leg coming here. And I tried to cut the shapes generally the same size on either side. Oh, I forgot feet. And then for mine, I need a little bit of a prop. So I'm gonna get my little prop, my Frisbee cutout. So there is my, and I might move the hand up a little bit. Now, if you're gluing it down, it might make it a little easier for it to stay still. I have my figure done, and now I'm going to do my two shapes. One of my shapes, I'm going to make it look like a movement line, almost like it's flying through the air, and I'm going to do that with my yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and cut fluid little lines, and again, I'm just drawing with my scissors. Notice that I'm not really moving my scissors, I'm rotating with my left hand as I hold the paper, and then I'm cutting with my scissors. So I'm just clamping down with the scissors and I'm rotating the actual piece of paper itself. And you can make your shapes similar and maybe make them slightly bigger or smaller. It's kind of up to you guys. Now I'm going to go to my second shape and I'm going to use a different color. So I'm going to my third color and I'm going to create a kind of leaf pattern that's similar to Matisse. Lost a leg. Now I'm going to use a little bit of yellow with my leaf shape.